Hi, in this video, we will continue to learn about managing sheets in Excel. We will be using the same example as used in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, please watch it before watching this video. In the next option, if you want to protect the sheets so that if you are sharing this file with others and you want to protect the data so that no one can edit the data in this Excel sheet, you can use the protect sheet option. Right-click on the sheet that you want to protect and select the Protect Sheet option. This dialog box opens up. Click on this option which will lock the contents of the cell. Below this option, Excel gives you the option to choose to allow the user only certain access to edit the data in Excel. Please take your time to explore the different options available in this menu. For now, we will leave it as it is. Now choose a password to protect this sheet in this text box and click on OK. Now if you double click on any of the cells where you want to edit, Excel will give you this error message that this cell is protected and you cannot edit it. If you want to edit this sheet, then right click again on the Sheet tab, select the Unprotect Sheet option. Enter the password that you had set earlier and click on OK. Now you will be able to edit this sheet. If you want to add a color to the Sheet tab, right-click on the required tab, go to the tab color and select the required color. We will select this green color. Now you can see that the sheet color is changed to green. Now let's see how to hide and unhide sheet tabs. Right-click on the required tab and select the hide option. Now the sheet C section is hidden from the rest of the sheets. To unhide the same, right-click on any of the sheet tabs and select the unhide option. Choose the required sheet in the dialog box and select OK. Now the hidden sheet is active. That's all for this video and see you in the next one.